Today, I'm revealing the top 5 iPhone cases of 2026 that I've personally torture tested, so you don't waste a single dollar. Number 5 might surprise you, but number 1, you have to see to believe. The links to buy each one are in the description below. Let's get into it. Number 1. Otterbox Commuter Series iPhone 17. The Otterbox Commuter Series consistently balances dependable protection with everyday usability. Our test team continues to recommend the Commuter Series case year after year. It delivers Otterbox's well-known rugged protection in a more streamlined, carry-friendly design. As our lead reviewer notes, the Commuter remains a strong contender because it offers a reassuring, protective feel without crossing into overly bulky, heavy-duty territory. The design combines a durable outer shell with a shock-absorbing inner layer, a pairing that performed well in our scratch and impact testing. The outer shell resists visible wear, while the inner layer helps absorb drops from everyday use. Port covers add an extra layer of defense against dust and debris, and the case meets military standard, MILSTD, drop protection for added peace of mind. Despite its protective build, it still slips in and out of pockets without too much resistance. It is MagSafe compatible, and wireless charging remains reliable, though the added thickness can slightly reduce efficiency compared to ultra-slim designs. If you value rugged protection over ultra-slim design, then yes, this case is a smart investment. Just be aware that it's bulkier and a bit heavier than minimalist cases. Cat adds, I've found that installing it takes longer than thinner cases, but that's typical of cases with serious drop protection, and I think the trade-off is absolutely worth it. It may not be ideal for small pockets or phone mounts on bikes and electric scooters, but if you're not worried about a little extra size, the Otterbox Commuter delivers top-tier protection in a package that still looks clean and professional. Number 2. Spigen Ultra Hybrid MagFit iPhone 17. The Spigen Ultra Hybrid MagFit is ideal for users who want a clean, transparent case with reliable MagSafe compatibility at a very approachable price. It's a great fit for anyone who wants to show off that sleek Apple logo while still getting solid everyday protection. If you're looking for something lightweight, pocket-friendly, and functional while saving a few bucks, this case hits a sweet spot. This case nails the basics without overcomplicating things. The hybrid design pairs a clear polycarbonate back with a flexible TPU bumper that helps absorb impacts, especially around the corners. MagSafe performance is strong and consistent, making it easy to snap on chargers and accessories without fuss. As our lead tester, Kat Elliott, puts it, it's one of those cases that just works. You get protection, MagSafe, and a clean look without adding bulk or overthinking it. It's also one of the easiest cases to carry in your pocket day to day, thanks to its slim profile and smooth finish. If you want an affordable, no-nonsense case that covers the essentials and keeps your phone looking like a phone rather than a brick, this is a great option. The main trade-off is cosmetic-related where the clear back can pick up scratches, fingerprints, and wear over time, and grip is fairly average compared to more textured options. Still, for the price, performance, and simplicity, the Spigen Ultra Hybrid MagFit stands out as one of the best value clear cases available. Number 3. Smartish Gripzilla MagSafe iPhone 17. The Smartish Gripzilla is ideal for users who prioritize grip and in-hand security above all else. It's especially great for anyone prone to dropping their phone or who frequently uses their device one-handed. If you want a case that actively helps prevent drops in addition to protecting against them, this is one of the best options available. This case stands out for its best-in-class grip. The textured sidewalls and subtle finger grooves create a locked-in feel that's noticeably more secure than smoother designs. In our testing, it consistently resisted slipping better than almost any other case. As lead tester Kat Elliott puts it, this is one of the few cases where you feel the grip immediately. It really helps keep the phone in your hand, not on the ground. Beyond grip, it offers solid everyday protection with reinforced corners and a durable, low-maintenance finish that hides wear well. MagSafe performance is also strong and reliable, making it easy to use with wireless chargers and accessories. If you want maximum grip and dependable daily protection in a practical, no-nonsense design, this is the case for you. The trade-offs? The added texture creates more friction when sliding the case in and out of tighter pockets, and the overall look leans more functional than premium. The grip design is also slightly more optimized for right-handed users, though it still performs well in either hand. Still, if your main goal is keeping your phone secure during everyday use, the Gripzilla is one of the top choices in the lineup. Number 4. Smartish Wallet Slayer Volume 1 iPhone 17. The Smartish Wallet Slayer is ideal for users who want to simplify their everyday carry by combining a phone case and wallet into one, so all you have to remember at that point is your keys. It's a great choice for those who prefer to travel light, whether that's running errands, heading out for the day, or ditching the bulk of a traditional wallet. With space for a few cards and cash, it's best suited for minimalists who want all their essentials to fit in one pocket and don't need full rugged protection or wireless charging. The integrated card holder in this case securely fits a few essentials without adding as much bulk as you might expect, and the one-piece design keeps things simple and easy to use, especially compared to old-school folding wallet cases. Air pocket corners and raised edges provide enough protection for typical drops and bumps, making it more than just a wallet accessory. As lead tester Kat Elliott notes, it's surprisingly streamlined for a wallet case. You get the convenience of carrying less without it feeling overly bulky. The matte finish adds a bit of grip and helps mask wear over time, keeping it looking clean through regular use. Yes, if you want a convenient, all-in-one solution that replaces your wallet for daily use. The biggest trade-offs are the lack of wireless and MagSafe charging due to the card storage, along with added thickness and some pocket friction when fully loaded. Card access can also feel a bit stiff at first, but this helps keep the card secure in the slot. If you're willing to trade those limitations for simplicity and functionality, the Wallet Slayer Volume 1 is one of the best integrated wallet cases available. Number 5. MagSafe Case for iPhone 16. Otterbox is rightfully one of the first case makers that comes to mind when protection is paramount for any of the best phones. While Otterbox's ultra-bulky Defender cases offer unrivaled, all-encompassing defense for the iPhone 16 series, we found the Commuter Series case provides a better balance of value and protection while sporting a slimmer design that more people would be comfortable using daily. Indeed, we feel very comfortable with the Commuter's protection from our experiences accidentally dropping previous, effectively identical iterations of the case severely, only to find the case and phone unscathed. The Commuter has a durable two-part design, a soft rubber inner shell for excellent shock absorption and a hard outer shell that covers the back and parts of the frame edges for extra protection. The Commuter case also features a cover for the iPhone 16's USB-C port, which is easy to flip open and close for wired charging. It's designed to prevent dust and dirt from entering the USB-C port. If you've ever had to scoop out lint and other debris from an iPhone's charging port, the Commuter case's USB-C cover will help prevent that. The case has a cutout for the new camera control button, described in our iPhone 16 review, and soft rubber button covers. The power button feels normal to press, but the volume and action buttons are a little harder to press than when the iPhone 16 is naked. However, this is a common compromise, not a deal breaker relative to the case's protection. And there you have it, the 5 best iPhone cases you can buy in 2026. Remember, your phone is an investment, so don't trust it to a cheap cover. If this video saved you from a cracked screen, make sure to smash that like button and share this with someone who needs a new case. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our tech breakdowns. All the links for these amazing cases are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.